Picture yourself in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.